Hello guys, the Mechanic India makes car and bike repair easy and stress free. Also, they have a mechanic cafe where customer can relax while waiting. In Mechanic Cafe, I have tried their pizza, pasta and burger which is so delicious and tasty, and you just can't miss their coffee and mocktails. After that, I enjoyed playing PS5. The experience was crazy and super amazing. This multi-brand vehicle services and detailing network offering high quality repair, maintenance, detailing services and paint services for both two-wheelers and four-wheelers. The team has skilled and experienced mechanic who knows how to handle any car and any bike. They offer wide range of multi-vehicle services including engine diagnosis, oil changes, brake repair, car repair and bike servicing. Also they have a high quality washing services which is so amazing, and definitely I am visiting the mechanics again and again. So you guys also visit the mechanics today and do follow Multipixel.